What does Neil Armstrong's first flight, a gigantic rocking chair, and Trumbull Regional Medical Center in Warren, Ohio have in common? Dave Grohl from Nirvana was born here on January 14th, 1969 in Warren, Ohio. Here at David Grohl Alley in his birth town of Warren, Ohio, a police officer of all people went to all the city council meetings to explain to them what a Foo Fighter was and how they needed to celebrate the fact that Dave was born here with his own alley. Let's go check it out. The main attraction are the world's largest drumsticks, each crafted from a single log that weighs 900 pounds. Now, not only is Dave Grohl the drummer from Nirvana, but he's also the singer, songwriter, guitar player for Foo Fighters, the drummer for Them Crooked Vultures with John Paul Jones of Led Zeppelin, and the singer of Queens of the Stone Age. And he played drums for Queens of the Stone Age. And another album that I love is Tenacious D with Jack Black and Kyle Gass. Dave also played the drums on that. Now, I actually got to meet Dave Grohl on May 4th, 1995. It was just a little more than a year after Kurt died, and I heard a cassette of this unknown group called the Foo Fighters. Not a CD. There wasn't a CD or a record out or anything. It was just a cassette, and it was rumored that Dave played every instrument on it. Now, on May 4th, 1995, at the Cleveland Agora, a little van tour showed up, and the Foo Fighters was the opening band, along with a band called Hovercraft, which was Eddie Vedder's side project. And they were both opening up for Mike Watt from the Minutemen. Now, after that Mike Watt show on May 4th, 1995, we waited in the back of the alley of the Agora Theater. And Dave could have totally just walked by us. I'm sure he was in a weird headspace. But not only did he sign our tickets through the fence, he came around the fence and actually spent like a half hour just hanging out with us. He totally didn't have to do that, especially at that time. And I'll never forget it. Here's a photo from me and Dave back in 1995 behind the old Agora Theater. Oh, I forgot about this album. Probot, where he got a bunch of metal singers together. He had a different metal singer on every song, and he played the drums for that album too. My favorite was the one he did with Lemmy from Motorhead. Oop, one more down here. All the local artists got together and created all these awesome monuments. Got the steel music notes here. So if you're ever around the Warren, Ohio area, this is a pretty cool place to come and check out. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.